This book is called Frog and Toad All Year. The book that we are reading is The Surprise.
Frog is looking out his window and he wants to make a surprise. He wants to make a surprise for Toad by raking his leaves. Toad was looking out his window and he wants to surprise Frog by raking his leaves.
Frog gets his rake out of the shed and walks over to Toad's house. Toad gets his rake out of the closet and walks to Frog's house.
Frog raked Toad's leaves for Frog. Into a pile. Toad raked all of Frog's leaves into a pile.
Frog finished raking Frog's leaf. He took his rake and went home. Then when Toad was finished with raking Frog's leaves, he raked them into a big pile and then went home.
Then the wind blew all the leaves all over the place.
Frog and Toad felt happy because they did something good for each other. And then they went to bed.
The end.